Okay, the Rubik's Cube versus Fidget Spinner. So Rubik's Cube is an Hungarian 3D puzzle was designed by Rubik. So it was made in 1974. This Fidget Spinner is made in the United States. It was made back in, I think it was a prototype in 1993, but 24 years later it looks like that. Let's just say this is between 1993 and 2017. That was so. Rubik's Cube is made in 1974. This Rubik's Cube is made. Fidget Spinner is made in 2017, 1993. I don't know. Fidget Spinner was made between 1993 and 2017. Okay. So thanks for watching. Yeah, goodbye. Please subscribe me. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers. Peace.